In 1971, when the 7 Emirates that now form the United Arab Emirates federated together to begin the astonishing evolution from an untapped land to a model of advanced civilization, Ibrahim Said Lootah was busy laying the seeds for a parallel success story. The union of the Emirates set the stage for the growth that was to bring the Lootah group of companies to the forefront of the nation's enterprises and make it a name to be reckoned in the regional and international business and industrial spheres. The Lootah Group has now grown beyond domestic boundaries and has offices in Iran, Jordan, Syria, Iraq, and Africa. It was the exceptional depth of determination to succeed through hard work and honest endeavor that set Ibrahim Said Lootah apart from his contemporary businessmen. Lootah's uncompromising pursuit for quality in every facet of his business won him the trust and patronage of his customers and fellow citizens. Success bred yet more success, and Lootah's local company grew into a conglomeration of thriving businesses. The Lootah Group has risen above the harsh sands of Arabia and now towers majestically in its full stature in the land that nourished it. The group was one of the pioneering companies that entered the contracting and construction sector in the U.A.E. It specialized in structural industries and was entrusted with major projects that included the construction of the country's famed underpasses. Even from the early days, the Lootah Group was guided by a vision of community service. Putting principle to practice, among the first projects undertaken by Lootah Building and Construction were community housing projects. Over the years, the company has executed numerous community welfare projects, including office extension work for Dubai Municipality, the Al Diafa Fountain Roundabout, and the construction of a 500,000-gallon overhead tank for the Ministry of Water and Electricity. In addition to these, numerous educational projects have also been undertaken, including the construction of numerous schools and the Islamic Scientific Institute in Ajman. Other governmental projects include the construction of villas for royal dignitaries and nationals, a sports club for the handicapped, just to name a few. In the commercial construction sector, Lootah Building and Construction has been the name behind some of the prominent landmark buildings of the U.A.E. The 4-Point Sheraton Hotel, the Al-Attar Shopping Complex. Numerous high-rise towers in Sharjah are just a few in the long list of Lootah's successful commercial projects. The group currently has over 20 projects in various stages of progress. Lootah Building and Construction added another first to its credit by venturing into landscaping. The Jumeirah Beach Park, an oasis of greenery, bears testimony to the environmental sensibilities and landscaping prowess of LBC. In the mid-70s, at the height of the construction boom, the whole of the United Arab Emirates resembled an extended construction site. Buildings mushroomed at an astonishing pace, and landscapes changed virtually overnight. With the boom came the pressing need for new local industries to support and complement the building industry. National Ready Mix was thus established to provide Lootah Building and Construction with the quality concrete it needed to complete its numerous projects to the highest standards of quality within the least possible time. It was the first professional manufacturer of Ready Mix in Dubai. National Ready Mix, with plants in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ajman, and Hatta, now has a combined capacity to produce over 450 tons of concrete per hour. With 2 plants in Dubai and 1 each at the other locations, National Ready Mix is comfortably placed to cater to the current and future requirement of the Lootah Group. By setting up plants in most of the Emirates, the group has also succeeded in cutting delivery time to site significantly. All the plants of National Ready Mix benefit from the highest standards of plant design and computerization. The Ajman plant is in fact the only computerized batching plant in the Emirates with a dedicated water desalination plant. In 1997, the Lootah Group initiated production of aggregates from its quarry in Ajman. This was with a view to maintaining quality, consistency, and the uninterrupted supply of raw materials for its concrete plants. It must be noted that the Lootah Group is the only player in the construction industry to own a crusher producing cubical, fully crushed mountain aggregate for its own use. Intending to secure all bases, the group set up Lootah General Transport to ensure prompt delivery of raw materials for the 6 batching plants. The Lootah fleet of trucks has a combined capacity of 100,000 tons of aggregate. As the Lootah Group's operations widened, so did the number of companies under its wings. In 1977, Lootah Industries was established over a 1 million square foot area in the Ajman industrial zone. Lootah Industries consists of a number of factories and divisions with diversified activities. Lootah Bitumen and Roadworks Division manufactures water and chemical-based bitumen products for use in heat insulation and other roofing applications. Its products are renowned for its conformation to international standards and specifications. The Fabrication Division, staffed by highly qualified mechanical engineers, designers and draftsmen, undertakes all steelworks for buildings of the group and for other customers. The division has supplied projects with tanks, pressure vessels, sheds, conveyors, all types of steelworks, piping works, and upgrading or reassembly of plants, utilizing raw materials such as steel, stainless steel, aluminium, and Monol 400. The division also manufactures and maintains the group's machinery and equipment. The corrugated sheets used to cover the walls and roofs of warehouses, villas, mosques, and the like are manufactured by Lootah Profile Division. In addition to carrying out corrugation to metal, the division also manufactures C-purlins, Z-purlins, and guardrails. Lootah Marble and Mosaic Factory, as the name implies, manufactures all types of marble, granite, mosaic, tiles, curbstones, and crusters. Equipped with the latest stone cutting, designing, and polishing tools, the factory works its magic on specially imported Italian and Indian marble. Aluminium work within the group is carried out by National Aluminium. Water tanks, air conditioner unit holders and covers, sunshades, and parking roofs are manufactured by our fiberglass division. The Carpentry and Woodworks Division designs and manufactures doors, windows, furniture, frames, and other wooden products to meet the project requirements of Lootah Building and Construction. Blasting and Painting Division was created for the purpose of rust removal from steel sheets and bars. The division is fully equipped with environmentally friendly machines, and the entire blasting procedure is done within the machine. Fully treated sheets and bars are received at the other end after processing. As the natural sand found in the United Arab Emirates is not suitable for construction due to its high salinity content, a sand washing division was established to produce salt-free sand. The division is supported by a reverse osmosis desalination unit. With Dubai developing as a regional commerce hub and the population growing annually, the decision was made to venture into trading activities. The rise in consumer spending and the emergence of a quality-discerning and price-conscious social class paved the way for Lootah General Trading Division. With a view to capitalize on the emerging consumerist trends, the group partnered with reputable international companies specialized in designer wear, cosmetics, jewelry, foodstuff, chemicals, and heavy equipment. The group has its own dedicated in-house information technology department that is responsible for the purchase, installation, training and maintenance of high-end servers, networking, desktops, notebooks, and other peripherals. Manned by highly qualified software developers and hardware engineers, supported by a state-of-the-art technical infrastructure, the IT department develops and implements software to suit the group's requirements. The division has implemented and maintains the group's enterprise resource planning system. The Lootah Group continues to be pioneers in construction and construction-related industries, even in the face of an open market that brought in many international players. As the industry continues to change and brace for the future, the Lootah Group is at the forefront of the race. For the past 20 years, the group has been changing the landscape of Dubai and the surrounding Emirates. It has made an indelible contribution to the quality of life of the residents. Today, the group stands as a living testament to local ingenuity, integrity, and vision. Driven by a steely resolve to excel and encouraged by its past successes, the Lootah Group ventures forward boldly into the future. The group's past has been nothing short of spectacular, but its best, the group confidently predicts, is yet to come. A future that will be pursued on the timeless principles of quality and total customer satisfaction.